Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Hoomace 3-in-1 Small Humidifier Dehumidifier Combo with Air Filtration, Humidifiers Dehumidifier. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3-in-1 functionality. Enjoy the convenience of a humidifier and dehumidifier and air filtration combo in one device. The air filtration and dehumidifier combo, providing versatile moisture control for your space. This Dehumidifier's humidifier for bedroom can accompany you in any season, suitable for small spaces use, such as bedrooms, study rooms, living room, basement, limo, wine cellar, garage, bathrooms and storage rooms and others. 4 modes for versatile use. This bathroom humidifier have 4 different modes to suit your needs, whether you want to automatic humidification, dehumidification, and forced humidity removal mode. You can find the perfect balance of moisture in your space. The humidification of a large capacity 1000 ml water tank can be removed. If the attached dehumidifiers with a 40 cm drain hose is connected, it can drain continuously for a longer period of time. Convenient timer function. The humidifier dehumidifiers for room with a timer mode to freely set the automatic running time and maintain desired humidity levels for 10 pint capacity. This mini dehumidifier will automatically turn off when the time comes, so you can sleep or go out without worry. Easily monitor the current humidity levels with the default display feature. 7-color LED lights. Our Humidifiers dehumidifier for home create a soothing ambience with the 7 colors LED lights. Click to fix your preferred color or turn off the lights when not needed. In addition, the small humidifier using ultrafine non-woven dust collection filter, it strongly absorbs pollen, dust in the air. It also can restore the air and refreshingly change the room atmosphere that make it a refreshing and comfortable space. Compact and easy to maintain, this Dehumidifier's humidifier for home size is 8.46 x 4.7 x 9.72 inches. The compact shape, lightweight design, and low noise operation make it suitable for bedrooms and homes. Easy to clean. Wipe the body with a wet soft cloth and clean it separately after removing the water tank. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.